Consulting with a veterinarian can help identify the root cause of such behavior and guide towards appropriate solutions for ensuring the well-being of the furry companion. 6. Health and grooming. In addition to emotional reasons, licking also serves practical purposes related to a dog's health and grooming. Dogs instinctively groom themselves, and licking is a part of their self-care routine. Licking can help remove dirt, debris, and loose fur from their coat. Additionally, dogs may lick wounds or injuries as a way of cleaning and promoting healing. It's a natural behavior that aids in their overall well-being. Furthermore, beyond grooming, a dog's oral hygiene is closely linked to its overall health.